Shiv Khera is an Indian author, activist and motivational speaker, business consultant. He launched a movement against caste-based reservation in India. He also founded an organization named Country First Foundation and commenced the Bharatiya Rashtravadi Samanta Party. Before becoming a motivational speaker, he worked as a car washer, a franchise operator, and a life insurance agent. In 1998, he published his first book, You Can Win Me. His quotes inspire you to work hard so that you may live your dreams. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Winners see the gain, losers see the pain. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. People who wish to go into the future should have two skills to succeed: the ability to deal with people and the ability to sell. When we take care of our people problems, our business problems are automatically solved. There is no substitute to hard work. Oh, how a small portion of earth will hold us when we are dead, who ambitiously seek after the whole world while we are living. I think it's the person's conviction that really carries a person. Leadership is about persuasion, presentation, and people skills. 90% of selling is conviction and 10% is persuasion. Looking for the positive does not necessarily mean overlooking faults. Being a positive thinker does not mean one has to agree or accept everything. It only means that a person is solution focused. The way to get started is to stop talking and get started. It is easier to make money but much tougher to make a difference. Direction is more important than speed. Many people are going nowhere fast. Success is not an accident. It is the result of your attitude, and your attitude is a choice. Have a vision. It is the ability to see the invisible. If you can see the invisible, you can achieve the impossible. Human multitasking is the ability to do multiple things, but one at a time. So long as you have your eyes on the goal, you don't see the obstacles. Under adverse conditions, some people break down, some break records. Maintain an idea book. Ideas evaporate faster than we think. An uneducated thief may steal goods from the train, but an educated one may steal the entire train. We need to compete for knowledge and wisdom, not for grades. Opportunity is always under our feet. We don't have to go anywhere. All we need to do is recognize it. The difference: if I buy a photocopier from you, I have made a transaction and am considered a customer. If you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you cannot. And either way, you are right. One cannot be a good teacher unless he is a good student. It is crucial to make the right decision at the right time. This one phrase, "It is my life, I will do what I want," has done more damage than good. People choose to ignore the spirit and derive the meaning that is convenient to them. Such people have tied this phrase to selfishness, and I'm sure that was not the intent. A person's character is judged not only by the company they keep but also by the company they avoid. A person with a positive attitude is like a fruit for all seasons. The difference between a great man and a little man is their commitment to integrity and hard work. Ability will get you success, character will keep you successful. Motivation is like fire, unless you keep adding fuel to it, it dies. Your fuel is your belief in your inner values. The best teachers will not give you something to drink, they will make you thirsty. They will not give you answers but will put you on a path to seek answers. True character is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Ability teaches us how to do, motivation determines why we do, and attitude decides how well we do. Where are the people who don't have goals headed? Those 97% end up working for the 3%. Everything that we enjoy is a result of someone's hard work. Some work is visible and other work goes unseen, but both are equally important. Humans can create their own environment, whereas animals have to adapt to their environment. Negative people will always criticize. Money is a very important tool to make a big difference in people's lives. It is positive or negative depending on the values. As human beings, we all have the need to receive and take. But a healthy personality with high self-esteem is one that not only has its need to take but also to give. Feeling good is a natural outcome of doing good, and doing good is a natural outcome of being good. My first objective is to invest, and if I have anything spare, then I spend. Be courteous to all, but intimate with a few, and let those few be well tried before you give them your confidence. If we are not part of the solution, then we are the problem. We are connected, we have to realize that we are sharing this planet and we must learn to behave responsibly. Many people don't understand the difference between idle time and leisure time. Idle time amounts to wasting or stealing time, leisure time is earned. Lot of things depend on the upbringing of the child. Wise people prefer to benefit from constructive criticism rather than be ruined by false praise. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.